Hi guys, zpolt here, welcome to my lab, and today we're gonna take a look at another DAP and another big contender in the sort of $100 range for DAPs. This is the Shanling M0. So personally, I am really excited about this because this is really what I am looking at to buy for my personal use. Of course, big thanks Tech Shop 28 for lending me this review unit. The links down below for their shop. But for me, I want to buy this myself. So I'm really interested to review this if maybe this is the DAP for me. Of course, I also have the Hydis AP80 in the lab now and also the X Duo X3. So I'm gonna do a full comparison, but first we're gonna unbox the M0 and I'm gonna show you guys what's inside, and I'm also gonna give you guys my first impressions of this product. So let's jump right into it. But first, we review budgetfi to mid-fi audio gear. So if you're into that, consider subscribing. Okay, so let's go to the Shanling M0 now. Actually, here it says $5,995, so it's around $100, around $120, and this is of course from a Chinese manufacturer, and this has won some awards, so that's why it's sort of resonates with me. So it's a small DAP that you can just put in your pocket. It's really pocketable. So as you guys know, I have the WM1A. That's a super big DAP. It's something that I cannot bring all the time, so I want something that is portable, that I can bring all the time. This may be it. Okay, so let's go to the box first. So you have the Hydis logo right here. You have aptX right here, which is really nice. LDAC as well. LDAC support is nice. So there's really feature pack right here. Let's go to the other side, and it says of course English, portable music player, DSD supported, HD touchscreen. So it's a touchscreen configuration. It supports up to a 512 SD card slots right here, and the USB Type-C interface. So you have the 2018 feeling right here. Okay, so I got the titanium version right here, which is nice. So here in the other side, you have some additional information here. Right from the get-go, from the box itself, it looks like your Apple iPod design, you know, the watch Apple design, which is not bad for me at all. I have an Apple Watch as well. I really like the design there. So let's open it up. So we have this opening and the other one also as well. So maybe I can just push this over. There you go. So you can already push it. It's a quite tight experience right here. Okay, so you're greeted with a nice box, a KZ type box before, same as the AS10. And we're gonna open it up, get the box right here first. And there you go, guys. Oh my goodness. I have the titanium color right here, which is a nice look. I'm gonna show you guys first how shiny that is. Maybe I should get some gloves to prevent fingerprints from getting through this really shiny glass that I'm reviewing. But we're gonna check this out. But we're gonna go to the box, and it opens up already. Look at that, guys, open up. But we're gonna check out the box first. Okay, and here inside you have you know, typical manuals right here. And does it have English? It does have English, which is nice. And the warranty information right here. Pretty nice unboxing experience, to be frank right here. And let's go here with the box, what's included. So I'm pretty sure that there's a Type-C interface right here. No, it's just the cord here, Shanling branded cord with your Type-C, I'm pretty sure. Okay, nice. It's a nice feeling cord overall. I have a Type-C cord, so no need to really break this in. It's a pretty minimalist package overall, which is something I like. It's a kind of Apple-esque kind of packaging. And here, right off the bat in the hand, this feels really substantial, guys. It is made of metal all around. It feels really good. But it also kind of reminds me of the Hydis AP80. I'm gonna do a quick compare later. So you have your micro SD slot right here. Yeah, out of all the package here, this is the most funky looking one. I wish this was metal. This is a plastic thing right here with the micro SD. I wish that they just did like a minimalist kind of Apple-esque design right here, and not the rubber one. And you have of course the USB-C right here and the headphone jack. It's just a 3.5mm one. It doesn't have balance connector, and it has the crown right here for the volume and the power as well, and not any more stuff right here. And of course some information right here. Overall pretty nice package, and let's open it up now. And of course English, we're gonna set it up. Okay, so it's a swipe kind of interface right here, which is nice. So everything is just swipe control, like swipe left to go back, swipe right to go and move forward. Let's go to the interface first. So you have the volume indicator here, the time, and the battery information here. So it's sort of like your iPhone or phone kind of design. And yeah, this UI also reminds me of the iPhone as well. So you have now playing here, my music, folders, playback, and system. So I'm pretty sure the playback is the EQ, folders is the organization stuff, and now playing is what's playing now. Okay, so it doesn't have a micro SD yet, but I want to go through first the features here. So playback, you have a max volume indicator. Also, you can't use the crown to go up and down. So yeah, I'm used to my Apple Watch that the crown is also the navigator. So here it's just all touch now. So yeah, that may be a deal breaker for some, like an all touch kind of interface, because yeah, if it's in your pocket, you cannot use or even like go to the next track right here if it's an all touch package, compared to maybe like my WM1.8 has like tactile buttons. You can move to the next track even if it's in your pocket. So you have your EQ right here, it is preset now. And then go back and you have your gain setting right here, which is a low and high gain for higher impedance headphones. Filter, minimum slow, apodizing fast, brick wall. Yeah, so for those of you guys who wants to customize your filtering systems. Playback. Okay, so it's inside this. Okay, the playback information. I always do like a repeat all. Okay, and then folder skipping. So actually the EQ, I'm looking for the custom EQ here. I can't find it yet. Hopefully there is, but yeah, for now I am seeing that it is not that customizable. It doesn't have the 10-band EQ. Channel balance right here for those with hearing impairments, I would say. Folders, card not found. So I need to put my micro SD over here. So you have your favorite tracks here, album, artist, composer, and now playing. So it's a pretty simple package actually. Also you have other options right here. Okay, let's go to the system update. Bluetooth, brightness, screen off, idle. Okay, auto standby, that's nice, so you won't waste battery. USB mode, clock, volume, double click, DSD mode. Oh, there's DSD support, which is nice. Theme, let's go with the oh, okay, nice black theme. I want a zpolt labs kind of theme. Let's go. Oh, that is too much for me. Language, about, factory setting, system update. It's pretty bare, guys. So there's not a lot of features here, but that is of course maybe something that you want. But the wrist check, guys, so maybe this is something that you can put in your wrist. Let's see how big this is. Maybe if you're that kind of person, but yeah, it's not, it's like a TW steel kind of watch. Maybe it's something you can put in the wrist, but it's quite thick though. Overall build and OS wise, it's pretty simple. It's a minimalist kind of package, and it shows in the build itself and also in the OS. This is something that you will play music in and no fuss whatsoever. There's even no Wi-Fi here to find, and yeah, no Spotify as well. But what's good here is this have Bluetooth receiver, so if you need Spotify, you can just play in your mobile phone and then push into here, so you can hear your music through your phone, which is nice. I'm gonna get my SD card and give you guys my first impressions in how this sounds like. But before that, guys, this is a quick comparo of the Shanling M0 AP80 and also the X Duo. I'm gonna do a full comparison of this, but I just want to show you guys the size. So look at how small this is, guys. This is the smallest. This is like 60% the size of the highest AP80. This is the highest AP80, guys. That's the same like design methodology with the crown at the right side. But it is like 60% the size. That is really small, so that's why I like this, because I want a really pocketable DAP to bring with me always. And look at this, guys, the size is just a lot different here, so that is nice. Yeah, just something to show you quickly and to hype up my ultimate comparison of these three. Okay, so now we're gonna test the Shanling M0. We're gonna go use our trusty TFZ S2 right here. Okay, so right off the bat, this has maybe the biggest soundstage that I've heard across the $100 DAPs. This has really big soundstage, and it sounds pretty nice. There's very good resolution here. It definitely has that, you know, first impression punch that I'm looking for in devices. So I'm getting full volume at my TFZ S2 at around 50% power. So this may be powerful for even bigger earphones. Let me give this a try with my Odees EL8s. That is harder to drive. Okay, so this is the Odees EL8s. This is very hard to drive. And this is planar as well. Let's see how it fares. Now we're up to 83 volume and still is able to drive the EL8s, which is nice. I'm not even in the high gain setting, and it still has big soundstage even in the EL8s. So look at this, guy. This is super duper small, driving a super duper large earphone, and it does bring out pretty substantial detail out of even the EL8s right here. Okay, so I already have my first impressions in this. So right off the bat, I am impressed by the Shanling M0. It is super small. It has a nice build. It has a simplistic kind of design. If you're looking for a music player, a no-fuss music player, that is how this feels like. This is just a music player with not a lot of bells and whistles, but it does work well. It is powerful enough. This little small thing powering, you know, my big earphones, my big headphones right here. It does power this to pretty good volume, to the volume that I like. And it also powers, of course, the IEM to pretty good volume as well. This has a lot of power. But of course, I'm gonna do a fuller test in the full review, but initially I'm impressed. The sound is good as well. The soundstage is big. I'm gonna compare this to my i5 Black Label, but it does remind me of the i5 Black Label. I remember that the X Duo doesn't have this kind of initial impression on me, and even the AP80, so that is really impressive. So I'm really impressed by this. Initially, I like the features, and it feels like a really good package overall. But of course, we're gonna find out for sure in the full review, and I'm also gonna do a comparison of this versus the X Duo and also the highest AP80, and we're gonna decide the winner in the ultimate comparison of DAPs around $100. So nice. I am maybe inclined to get this, but yeah, that is my first impressions and unboxing as well of the Shanling M0. If you learned something, leave a like, and of course subscribe for more content like this, and hit that bell button as well, so you'll be first notified when we first go live in an awesome video. And of course, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.